Hey there, fellow traders. If you're into trading, chances are you've come across the term Ichimoku cloud at some point, right? It's like this popular indicator that everyone talks about, but let's be real, when you first slap it onto your chart, it's like, whoa, what's going on here? All those lines can make it look like a bit of a mess. But hey, fear not. Today, I'm pumped to chat about a newer version of the Ichimoku cloud that's kind of like a breath of fresh air. It's designed as this oscillator thingy that sits below your chart and does some magic with entry and exit signals. So if you're curious to learn more about how this indicator works its wonders, hang tight because we're about to dive in. So to add this snazzy new Ichimoku cloud indicator, just head over to your indicators and type in Ichimoku oscillator. It's the one tagged as editor spec, and it's been cooked up by someone named Lonesome. If you are a beginner and not familiar with the whole concept of the Ichimoku cloud, don't worry. I've got your back with a completely dedicated session about it, which you can find the link both above here and down in the description. Now, let's fast forward to the new version of the Ichimoku cloud. Picture this, you've got this histogram with 4 layers. Each layer represents a different distance between various components of the indicator. And then there's this white line, which is basically like your guide to profit targets. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, and by the way, the indicator defaults to using ATR for smoother lines, especially when the market's all choppy. It's like having stabilizers on your bike when you're learning to ride. Now, interpreting this new indicator is pretty straightforward. When the histogram is partying above the center line, it's shouting up and away with its green background, but when it's chilling below the center line, it's more like down we go. And those little symbols, they're like your trading buddies giving you high fives or warning you of trouble ahead. A yellow triangle is like, hey buddy, maybe it's time to sell, while a white triangle is more like, hey, let's buy some stocks. But wait, there's more. Pay attention to those background colors too. They're like the mood rings of the trading world. They give you a quick snapshot of which direction the market's headed. Now, let's talk strategy. This indicator helps you spot trends, but let's keep it real. There's no such thing as a foolproof strategy. You'll still stumble upon some false signals, especially when the market's just lounging around sideways. That's where another indicator called Kuroda Cloud swoops in to save the day. It helps confirm whether the market is actually going somewhere or just having a snooze. By combining both indicators, you can filter out those false signals and focus on trades with higher probabilities. Yeah, you guessed it right. Price above the green cloud means go bullish, and below it means go with the bears. And when the price is inside the cloud, or if the cloud is in 2 colors simultaneously, that's a no-go. Now let's see a couple of trades using this amazing strategy together. unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a Funded Next account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Funded Next, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets Funded Next apart? Let me break it down for you. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With Funded Next, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Trade with peace of mind thanks to our intelligent drawdown calculations. No unnecessary stress, just smooth sailing towards your trading goals. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with Funded Next. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get. Don't pay with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join Funded Next today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. Alrighty, that's a wrap for today, folks. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. And hey, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button for more trading wisdom. Good luck out there, and catch you in the next video.